This is so hard. I feel like this may have been a bad idea. Hey everybody, my name is Taylor Glenn and this is my channel Taylor Traz, where I try new things and I try to teach you new things. And today is Thank You Patrons Day 2019. Yeah, basically that's a day that Patreon has deemed the day to thank all of your patrons for giving you money. So I am thanking all of the members of my Otter Club over on Patreon who show me support every single month. I really appreciate you. You're awesome. Thank you. But saying thank you is just not enough, is it? I wanted to do something more. I wanted to take it above and beyond. I'm gonna write a song. Yeah. I've never written a song. I don't know how to write a song. All I know is that I have a ukulele and I can play a few chords on it and maybe I can write a freaking song. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna figure out how to write a song together because I don't know. How to write a song on the ukulele. All right, how to write a ukulele song, yes.
If you would like to learn how to write your very own song on the ukulele, then stick around because this tutorial is just for you. I'm gonna love you unconditionally.
I have to mentally prepare for this video.
Step number 1 is to choose your song topic.
Song topic, Patreon. No, Otters, Patreon Otters, the Otter Club. Nailed it.
Verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, bridge, chorus.
What is a bridge?
F, G, C, and A minor. Verse 1.
F, G, C, A minor. Those are the ones that I knew. I'm ahead of this tutorial. I'm gonna, those 4 chords, and then I'm gonna make them in different orders. I feel like this may have been a bad idea. I like this chord. I want to put that chord in it. That sounds terrible. Okay. It sounds like a song. I don't know. It's probably a song I've played before and I'm just stealing it. C, F, C, F, F, G, yeah. Bridge. I think that's a bridge. I don't know. I mean, it sounds like a song. I don't know if it's correct or whatever, but it sounds like a song, so let's try to put some lyrics to it. Sure, something about otters and thanking you guys. I mean, what are the, let's brainstorm certain lyrics. Thank you to all the otters, because I do thank you. You're amazing. You're amazing. That's a good one. You give me money. Thank you to all the otters in the Otter Club. Oh, this is so hard. Thank you, otters in the Otter Club. You're the best. Hug. Thanks to all the otters in the Otter Club. What rhymes with club? Hub, bub, rub-a-dub. There's the rub. Cool. No words rhyme with club. Thanks to all the otters on Patreon. You're so cool. You're way better than a swan. I should write songs all the time. This is gonna sound so stupid. I'm gonna get through the whole thing and then be like, it sounds like crap. Great. Thanks to all the otters here on Patreon. You are the only income that I can rely on. It's kind of sad though. I should have the second bit not rhyme with the first bit and then repeat it and have the second part rhyme with the things. Yeah. Thank you to all my otters. Make the Otter Club so freaking cool. write those down. It's a brainstorming process, okay? I'm working on it. Thank you to all the otters in my otter club. Thank you for all you do and so much love. Totally rhymes.
Several song-filled hours later.
I think I have something that resembles a song. It is not great. I think that the chorus and the whatever the other parts are called are pretty similar, possibly the exact same, and I'm just singing them slightly different. It's probably really repetitive, and a lot of the lyrics are really stupid, but it comes from my heart, and I think it's cute. It's the next day. It sure is. Or I just changed my outfit, and I'm telling you it's the next day. After I finished writing the song, I decided that I wanted to practice it a little bit for a day, and now I'm here and I feel like it sounds a little better. And of course now I'm going to unveil the entire song in its entirety, and you can listen to it and hopefully your ears don't hurt. But before we do that, I wanted to just say one more time, thank you again to everyone on Patreon who supports me. It really does mean a lot. Thank you. If anyone watching this wants to join the Otter Club and doesn't know how, Patreon is super simple. There's a link in the description. You just go in there, you create an account, and you support me. Even just pledging $2 a month really can help a lot. So take a look at that, go check out the rewards, then you too can be an otter. Without further ado, here is Thank You Otters.
Taylor and I try to do new things. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, but I try every week, and there are some who support me, my special fans who are extra fine. So thank you to all the otters in the Otter Club. Thank you for all your support. You show me so much love. You make it possible for me to eat. And I think that's really neat. So thank you. Thank you. I try to make stuff and show the mess-ups, all the fails, and all the success too. And I don't make much money online, it's mostly free, but I make something largely thanks to you. Thank you to all the otters in the Otter Club. Thank you for all your support, you show me so much love. Thanks to you, I can get stuff done. Thanks to you, I can show everyone. I used to feel lost and I was so sad. Then I started sharing my passion, and you listen to me. You think I'm rad, so much so you went to Patreon. Thank you to all the otters in the Otter Club. Thank you for all your support, you show me so much love. Thanks to you, I can still get by. Thanks to you, I can always try. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All the otter pups and the cool otters, the juggling otters too. The awesome ones, you know I wouldn't ever forget you. And of course every ooh. Thank you. Thank you.
I wrote a song. It sounds like a song. It's not the best song, but it sounds like a freaking song. I mean, like, at least it's something that like the Jonas Brothers could have written, and that's something. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. It's not the best. I wrote a song. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I feel good. That was really hard. That was super hard. I did it. High five. Hopefully that's not somebody yelling at me for playing ukulele too loud. Ah, nope, it was just Amazon delivering a bunch of stuff to my roommates. Clearly, nobody would hate my singing and ukulele playing. It's awesome.